Hey guys, it's Amber. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me using my project pan. Alrighty, so I'm going to have to be subbing out some things because I don't have like every single thing I need to get ready, but it's pretty dang close. So let's start off with this bad boy. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer. Next I'm going in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the It Cosmetics CC Cream. My hair's gonna get those horrible creases in them for my ears. Just cut my hair. I literally just last night just it off. Then I put some toner on it. Feeling fresh, feeling summer ready. Alright, this is the color Light. It's pretty perfect for me in the summertime. It actually looks light on me right now. Wow. I guess I've had a little more sun than I thought. The nice thing about the CC cream is it's pretty forgiving. It doesn't need to be like an exact match to blend in because it's pretty light, but I like the coverage of it. This is not a project pan item. This is just what I wanted to use today because this is kind of a quick, fresh face summer look. And this is great for summer because it has SPF 50 in it. So whenever I'm going to be in the sun, this is what I pick. Alright, next for concealer, I'm just going to dot this down my nose and under my eyes and on any blemishes. I don't have a powder in my project pan, so I'm just using my Pacifica Neutralizing Mattifier Powder. And for eyebrows, this also isn't project pan, but I swear we are getting to the items. This is the It Cosmetics brow pencil. I've been kind of stuck on this lately. I don't know why. You know, we all go through like little spurts of things that we like. And today I'm just kind of stuck on this one. Alright, getting to an actual project pan item. I have Benefit Hoola. I am going to use to bronze up the face a little. It's obviously not shimmery, but it gives me kind of a nice sun-kissed look. Just using a fluffy brush so it's not like a harsh contour, just more or less. And now I'm going to use some Benefit Beta Tint. Yes, I already powdered, and I do this all the time and it's fine. I just literally draw a little bloop on the end and then I just pat it on. I don't buy Benefit anymore because they're not cruelty free, which is why I've been trying to use up a lot of these items. But it gives me, what the heck did I do to myself? It appears that I rubbed off all my foundation off my nose. I'm not even sure how that happened. Natural flush for me for summertime. This was not the sponge I was using. And even though I'm not repurchasing this product, I do like it. I'm not repurchasing it because it's not cruelty free, so I'm trying to use a lot of these products up. But it is a really nice stain, and I find in the summertime it just gives me a really nice look as if it were my natural skin, which seems silly to cover up my skin and then add the red back in. But I like it where I want it, not where it comes naturally like on my nose. But it's a pretty natural pink for me, so I do like that. Alright, I'm going to go into the Clinique Chubby Stick. This is Hefty Highlight 01, and I like to put this right up here for the most intense highlight. I don't like to get this too far down where my pores are because it will exaggerate a little more texture. And then it's a pretty highlight, but it's a little more natural. This is Laura Mercier. This is Highlight 01. And then I just kind of brush that on the top. Alright, I'm going to go back into my concealer for my eyelids and use this as a base. And with a large fluffy brush, I'm just going to go into the Hoola bronzer and put it in my crease. Using your bronzer shade for a crease color is like really one of the most natural shades you can use because it just makes everything kind of make sense, especially if you want it to be really subtle. Then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Amber Rush Shadow on my lid. And I'm just going to use my finger. It's a pretty soft pressed eyeshadow. This shadow really had a cult following for a little while, like everyone was talking about it. So of course at that time I wasn't concerned about cruelty-free. I tried it and it really is a nice shadow, but I'm ready to use it up and move it out. But I've enjoyed using it because it is really pretty. And I'm just gonna touch up that just a hair more in the crease. Alright, eyeliner. I'm using the liquid pencil in black from Lancome. Just did a really super top lash line. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes. I seriously have a problem here because I like get things in piles for videos, like my subculture is here that I was filming, and then I have all my project pan items, and then I get to like have this big stack of things, and then I get ready for the day, you know, not today, I'm getting ready now, but another day, and then just everything's every which way, and I'm like, what is my life? I'm drowning in this makeup. It's a little ridiculous. This is the Tarte Tarteist Mascara. I think this is one of my shortest get ready with me's for all of time because I'm not talking a million miles a minute, even though you guys seem to be totally fine if I am, but I'm like 17 minutes, go me. And by the time I edit it down it'll be way less, so woohoo. But I know some of you guys don't have time to do like super long videos, so I try not to have every video be like 30 minutes long. And the one thing I love in summer is to do kind of a soft eye and then pop a bright lip. And so this is the Wink for Pink. This is a Revlon. Let me give her a little spray. Alright, here is the finished look. My everyday kind of soft makeup look. Obviously this is still quite a bit of makeup, but I'm a makeup lover. This isn't a no makeup look. It's a makeup I wear when I want to have something quick and easy and use all my project pan items. This is what I go for. A lot of times I'll also use my Vice 3 palette since I'm also trying to pan that. So I could typically put one of the colors under the lash line, but we're going to keep it just here and super neutral and kind of fresh and glowy for the day. I like this pink color. I feel like I'm ready. I'm ready for the day, whatever the world brings me. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little get ready with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!